Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Concrete is the foundation of the fence. Using concrete in the foundation point will allow consistency for all of the vinyl fence posts. The ground is always settling and moving. Having concrete as the foundation of your vinyl fence posts creates a firm base that won't move and minimizes the posts moving.
Take our lead.
For a 5 inches square post, you will need a 10 inches hole, 27 inches deep depending on where your frost line is. That will be approximately 160 pounds of concrete a hole, 280 pounds bags. You should fill the hole 2 to 3, shallow, to allow for dirt and allow grass to grow around the post, which is a much cleaner install.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
How to easily install a fence post without cement using wood post anchors, gravel, or a hydraulic driver. Wood post anchors are some of the easiest ways to install a fence post, and offer other benefits, like protection from water and weed eaters.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.